If you are broke, and you genuinely don't know what to do, then this video is for you. And when I say broke, I'm not talking about, oh, better I spent too much money over the weekend. No, I'm talking about you checked your account balance and even your bank app looked at you like, is everything okay, bros? Sister, is everything all right? You know that kind of broke where even alert sound can give you false hope. You know, you hear pam pam and your heart just jumps, only to realize that it was network bonus. Just listen carefully, all right? If you don't have money in your pocket right now, this is not the time to be chasing the perfect business, the perfect dream business. No, this is not the time to be sitting down and saying, oh, what is my passion? What business aligns with my purpose? What brand reflects who I truly am? My dear, purpose is beautiful, but right now, as me and you are talking, you need cash. Kudi, ego, you need money, because passion without money can quickly become frustration. And I'm telling you this from a good place. Like, I'm not even trying to yab you. You need money. You can't be saying, oh, I want to build a brand. Which brand? You broke. You not get money. You define brand. Look, the real question right now is, what can I do immediately that somebody is willing to pay me for? Not next year, not tomorrow. Now, what can I do? Some of you are stuck because you are trying to build a perfect dream brand when there is $0, $0, kobo, £0 in your account. Nothing. Even your account balance is looking lonely. And I need to say this with love, okay? You better sit up and make money where you can, at least for now, because your first business does not have to be your forever business. Okay, it doesn't. Sometimes your first business is simply what rescues you financially so that you can later build what you truly want. And one of the fastest ways to do that is service-based businesses. Yes, because service brings money faster than waiting for, oh, when you need to buy the product, when you need to take stock of the goods, when you need to rent a shop, print logo, design packaging. You just be stressing yourself. And the problem is you don't have money and you're adding stress. You don't need inventory for service-based businesses. You don't need plenty grammar. What you need is value. You solve a problem, they pay you for the problem that you just solved. Shikena. Simple and short. And in this video, let's talk about service businesses that you can start even if your money is tight, even if you don't have shingbai. Can I say you not get? You know, and while we are watching, don't just sit down there and be typing, oh, nice idea, nice idea. Ask yourself, which one can I actually start? Because guess what? Ideas don't change lives. Action does. Now, before we even continue, be honest with me. Have you ever opened your account balance before and you just laughed? Not because it's funny, but because crying will not solve anything. See, if you can relate, just type I can relate in the comment. Let me know that I'm not speaking alone, because even myself, I dey speak from experience. See, if you did this life once, if you don't experience some, or let's say you be wait be those people they get money when they born it with silver spoon, golden spoon. They don't really bother me with that one, so I cannot relate to those people, but I can relate to you who is broke. You not get shit, but I can relate. I can. Now, the first service business I want to talk about here is cleaning service, okay? And let me just start with this. A lot of people overlook this business because of pride. Oh, cleaning service. Please. You need to remove pride. You not get money. Because sometimes pride is even more expensive than poverty. Yes, there are busy people who actually need your help cleaning their homes. You know, busy professionals, working mothers, single people living alone. See, some people come back from work very tired and the last thing they want to do is deep cleaning, okay? And that is where you come in. You can clean apartments, clean offices, kitchens, bathrooms, and people will pay you for this. You don't need a huge capital to start, okay? Basic cleaning tools, how much? Buy detergent, buy sponge, buy all these things, buy glove, and then you start. And let me tell you something, some people will never post it online that they need help cleaning. But once you clean for one person, you know, once one person uses your service and they like your work, keyword, they like your work, referrals will start pouring in like water. And trust me, referrals can feed you. Yes, your first money might not be big, but money always has a way of multiplying itself when it keeps moving. Don't stay one place. Clean for this person, do and well, not thief anything. Not thief anything. I know say some of una thief dey on a blood. No go their bedroom now, you see body wash where your eye dey enter, you thief am, you carry kpangolo go there, pour small. Oga, not thief, you don't know if they have camera there. Don't go and embarrass me. Clean and come out, clean and go, clean and go. Not thief. I dey shout am now. Number 2 service business is meal prepping. Now this one, money dey inside. I can tell you for free. Okay, meal prepping. Especially when you are meal prepping for busy people. There are people who genuinely have no time to cook. It's not that they cannot cook. They don't have the time. They wake up early, they go to work, they come back tired. Now, some of them are surviving on just random puff-puff and gala, puff-puff and zobo. That's where you step in. You cook simple meals, package them nicely, neatly, rice, soup, stew, beans, healthy portions, not go heap am. Hippopotamus, arrange it well. Presentation matters. Let them just open their fridge and smile. In fact, some of them, when they open their fridge, they go just dey pray for you, they kabash for you. And honestly, imagine being paid and being prayed for. That combination is beautiful. See, money plus blessings. What more do you want? For person wey no get money, you need money and you still need prayer for more money. Okay? And before somebody will say, oh, I'm not a professional cook, we no ask you whether you be professional. You sabi cook, where salt no go pass and pepper no go choke person. Let's even start from there, because many people are not looking for 5-star hotel chef, 5-star hotel food. No, they just want belle full. They just want come back house, make them meet food. And you need to be useful to yourself and your community, the people around you. Cook, may you collect money. Cook, may you collect this money. Wetin dey worry you? You know what? Let me even ask this question. Would you personally pay someone for weekly food prep? Because I know that there are many people secretly wanting this. They want this. They no go just talk am outside, but let us know in the comments. Okay? Now, the third service-based business idea for this video is social media management. I know you've heard this thing 1,000,001 times, but the question is, what have you done? Instead of you scrolling all day on the internet, why not make money from that same phone? Some of you already spend hours online. You know all the trends. You know all the captions. You know what grabs attention. Why not help small businesses? Start with your friends first. Someone selling hair, your friend that is selling clothes, the one doing skincare. Tell them, look, let me help you manage your page. Let me run your page. Even if the first one pays you shikini money, small money, you are building proof. Once your result starts to show, you now have a portfolio, and your portfolio will definitely open more doors for you. Okay, look, there are a lot of people who are terrible at posting on social media consistently. That alone is where your value enters. Stop wasting data, and data even costs. Have you seen the price of data lately? You just dey there, swipe. They laugh like who they touch. Wetin they want? Wait, what's the issue? I thought I go dey bring cane every time I dey forget. Once I wipe you once for back, your brain go open. You need money, you dey there dey waste data. At number 4, we have virtual assistants, and this one is growing very fast. We keep talking about this thing every single time. Look, many brand founders and business owners, they need your help. They need help with emails, with scheduling, with follow-ups, organizing their tasks. And then the interesting part is, some of them don't even need you as a full-time staff. They just need someone reliable. And reliability is rare. And they always talk this thing. Can people trust you? Can they? Are you reliable enough to help them stay organized? You need to be organized to help another person stay organized. Are you responsive? Are you smart? There is money in this business. You don't need inventory. No product service. Just your service. Just your service. Wetin happen? Until I comot my esophagus now, that time una go know say this thing dey me important. You cannot remain broke in 2026. This is one of the things we promised ourselves at the beginning of the year. So how come up till now you never really do anything? You know where we dey? So second quarter, now they look us so they smile give us. Meanwhile, you still dey there, they tell me say, oh, I never really see anything to do. Why? All the business ideas I've been sharing on this page, you cannot go and watch and pick one. Pick one. It's not enough to just be saying, oh, better thank you for all the video ideas. Oh, you inspire me. I don't want to inspire you to perspire, to require. I need you to take action. I need you to start something for yourself, no matter how small. Wetin happen? Wetin happen? Kilo day. Ogene. I remember in the last video where we talked about, businesses to do, I talked about running errands for people. Some people are too busy for basic things like that. Pick up a package for them, buy groceries for them, queue somewhere, simple things. And people pay because time is important to them and they don't have that time. So if you become dependable, people can call you repeatedly, and repeated calls become stable income. I said this thing in the last video. I even spoke to you guys about tutoring. Parents pay for peace of mind. So if you can teach their children maths, English, reading, there is money there, especially once they can see results. Is it the ironing of clothes I told you people about? How many of you remember how much I was shouting about this ironing business? Tell me if you took it serious or not. Like I said the last time, this business sounds very small until you start calculating, until you start doing your maths. People hate ironing. Some people truly hate it. Like imagine charging 300 naira. That's what we said the last time. 300, 500, 30 clothes weekly. Calculate it. It adds up. And once they trust you, once they know you will not burn their t-shirts, they will keep calling you. They will. You know what? Let me just say something very important right now, yeah? The reason many people remain stuck is because they are waiting for, the perfect condition, perfect capital, perfect confidence, perfect timing. That perfect day rarely comes. It really does. Sometimes progress actually starts ugly. And the truth is, ugly beginnings are still beginnings. It just means you need to improve as you go. Better just calm down. Calm down. Look, let me just tell you, yeah. Your first business is not a marriage. Okay? You are not signing forever, I do forever. No, you're only solving your current problem. Later, when the money comes, you can now start building your dream brand properly. But first, stabilize yourself now, because dreams also need funding. Okay, now if this video helped you, please feel free to share it with someone who is currently saying, oh, I don't know what to do. Oh, I don't know how to start. And in the comments, tell me which of these can you actually start this month? Because saying, oh, better, such an interesting video. Oh, all of those comments are nice, but I prefer that you take action. Action is better. All right. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider hitting on the subscribe button, because here we share honest conversations about money, life, and just navigating adulthood. All right. Thank you so much. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Okay. Bye.